Congratulations, class of 2020, from a member of class of 1983, now in Seattle. I encourage you to collaborate, to be kind, to be slow to judge, quick to question, and to think big. Congratulations again.
You should be very proud of your hard work and your achievements. And I'm sure you're also ready to go out into the big wide world to start your career. And the world needs you. The world needs your skills, your energy, your creativity, and your inventiveness.
When I was playing rugby for Cardiff and Wales, I started my MBA. And after carefully balancing my commitment to playing, training, and my home life, I graduated in 2000. That led directly to my first senior appointment as head of sport at BBC Wales. I hope that your qualification enables you to fulfil your dreams. Congratulations and good luck to you all.
I know it's been a very difficult year for you guys, but if we get through this, we can get through anything. So I wanted to wish you best of luck and a big, massive congratulations to the class of 2020.
Your graduation really made me think back to my graduation, which was in, well, according to this paperweight that my nan had made for me, 1996. The feelings of pride that I and my family had in achieving a graduation, I hope that you really feel that too. It's not to be underestimated what you have achieved. So, well done. Forge on for the future, even though the present might be strange. Congratulations again.
I would encourage you to pursue your passions and activities you enjoy, whatever they may be and wherever they may take you. You have the opportunity to write your own story on this blank canvas. I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors. Congratulations, class of 2020.
I have been in your shoes, and despite any doubts that you might have at the moment regarding the future, believe me when I say you are equipped with everything you need to make your dreams come true.
Go out and embrace all the opportunities that come your way. Be flexible, be adaptable, be prepared to change and have fun. And go with what your heart tells you, and I'm sure you'll have wonderful futures and careers.
I really enjoyed my time at South Wales University, and it really has been a springboard to my career. I do hope it will be for you too, and I welcome you as new graduates of the university.
A big congratulations to all of you who are graduating this year, and I wish you all the very best for your future.
I think that we can perceive life as a football match. When you lose it, that doesn't necessarily mean that you are over. Just try to learn with the adversity. Then change the tactic and your game plan, and you will have more probabilities to win the next game. Congratulations to all of you. I wish you the best luck.
Well done, class of 2020. You actually made it through after all. Wasn't that bad really, was it? I miss my times at college. Some advice for you all though. Follow your heart, not your heads. It really does pay out in the long run. Get out there, knock 'em dead. Well done and congratulations to you all.